Good morning, English students. We have made it until the end of this long year, and it is our final week together. And as usual with final weeks, we're going to have a final, but this one is just a reflection and evaluation. Before we get to that, let's shout out the people who participated last week. Thank you, David. Thank you, Gabriela. And over in period 2. Thank you, Angie. Thank you, Benjamin. Thank you, Christian. So, what is this final reflection that you're talking about, Mr. Rodriguez? Well, I'm very glad you asked that question. Let's click. Here it is, a reflection after a long year together, and it has been long. I would like you to reflect on what we have learned and then evaluate my class. A key element of learning is reflecting upon what we have done and how it has impacted us. I hope this reflection will allow you to examine what you've learned and how you can learn more going forward. That's the reflection piece. Here's the evaluation piece. No one knows teachers as well as their students, despite what you may think about me personally, and I'm sure several of you may utterly despise me. I deeply value your opinion, and I use the suggestions from my students to improve both my classes and myself. I truly want to learn and grow and become better at my job every year, so I need your help. If you can, please suggest some ways to improve the class. Thank you so much for being my student this year. So here are the questions. What did you learn in this class? Please be specific. What will you remember most about the class? Did anything seem valuable? Is there anything you would have done differently if you could go back and do it again? How did your writing change during the year? Did what we focused on this year make sense for an English class designed to help students do better in college and career? Should we have focused on something else? How can I make the class better? What can I do to help students who don't want to do the assignments or projects? What advice would you give students coming into my class? Was there anything different about my class from other English classes? If so, please tell me what. If you have any questions, please ask them. I know you're going to do well on all your tests this week. We'll have one final update later on this week where I can say goodbye to you. Please take care, please stay safe, and please do your best.